A very good morning to all of you. Today I will be discussing Standard 12, Chapter 3, Matrices chapter with you all in this video. So let's start with the very first exercise of this chapter, that is 3.1, based on matrices. So what is the very first question being asked here? It has told that if A is a matrix of type P by Q and R is a row of A, then what is the type what is the type of R as a matrix? This has been asked to you, right? So first of all, we'll try to understand in the solution that since R is a row of A, so what we have studied or what we know in class according to class 10 concept, that since R is a row of A, so definitely rows value will be 1. So definitely number of rows will be 1. So that is why your answer for this question will be 1 by Q here. Therefore the type therefore the type or the order of R as a matrix will be simply 1 by Q, because they have told you that R is a row of A. So in that situation the value of P will be 1, number of row will be 1. So the type of R as a matrix here will be 1 by Q simply. Moving to the next question, number 2. In number 2 they have told you if A is a column matrix, if A is a column matrix with 5 rows, if A is a column matrix with 5 rows, then what type of matrix is a row of A? So as we know, in column matrix, number of column is equals to 1. Number of column is equals to 1. And since the matrix is a row of A, since the matrix is a row of A, so here number of row will be also considered as 1. Here number of row will be also considered as 1. Therefore the type of matrix will be or is 1 by 1. Number of row 1, number of column 1. So required type of matrix here will be 1 by 1 only. Well, moving to the next question, number 3 now. In number 3 they have told you if a matrix has 18 elements, if a matrix has 18 elements, what the possible orders it can have, what the possible orders it can have, what if it has 11 elements? So this is very easy question. So try to understand how to do such type of sums. Possible orders of matrix having 18 elements, having 18 elements will be. So please focus on my shortcut now. We will see what are the factors of 18. What are the factors of 18? Factors of 18 means 18 किससे किससे टेबल में जाता है. Then you will tell, sir, in the table of 1, in the table of 2, in the table of 3, in the table of 6, in the table of 9 and in the table of 18. Right, so these are the factors of 18. Now 1 के टेबल में कितने बार में जाता है? 18 टाइम्स. सो दिस विल बी माई वन ऑफ द ऑर्डर. 2 के टेबल में कितने बार में जाता है? 9 टाइम्स में. 3 के टेबल में 6 टाइम्स में. 6 के टेबल में 3 टाइम्स में. 9 के टेबल में 2 टाइम्स में और 18 के टेबल में 1 टाइम में. So this is how we can easily write the possible orders of any number of elements. Moving to the next question, possible orders for 11 elements. Possible orders for 11 elements. So if you notice, 11 is a prime number and it will be divisible by exactly two numbers, that is 1 and 11, right? So 1 के टेबल में कितने बार में जाता है? 11 टाइम्स. 11 के टेबल में कितने बार में जाता है? 1 टाइम. So this will be only my two possible orders of matrix having 11 elements. So this is the required answer for question number 3. Now moving to question number 4. In question number 4, they have said you, if A is a 3 by 3 matrix, if A is a 3 by 3 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equals to 1 by 3 mod of minus 3i plus j mod, write the value of A23. So this is very simple. A23 denotes what? 2 denotes the value of I, 3 denotes the value of j simply. Then what will be the answer of A23 according to this formula? It will be simply 1 by 3 as usual minus 3 into i's value 2 plus j value 3. So after solving, what we are getting here, minus 6 plus 3 as minus 3, and we know the mod of minus 3 is only 3. So the answer which we are left with is 1 as our answer. So the right answer for this question will be 1. Moving to the next question, that is number 5 now. Number 5 now. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. A is equals to Aij whose elements Aij are given by subpart 1 Aij is equals to 2i minus j, and in subpart 2 Aij is equals to mod of 2i minus 3j. So see, collectively we start this question with, see the solution. For both the subpart we should start with, let the 2 by 2 matrix be these are the 4 positions first of all of 2 by 2 matrix, right? And if I talk about its position or its particular position, this position is first row first column, this is first row second column, this is second row first column, and this is second row second column, right? So these are the positions of 4 elements of 2 by 2 matrix, right? So let us find one by one of first subpart, where Aij is equals to 2i minus j. So A11 will take out first, it will be 2 into 1 minus 1, that will be simply 1. A12, it will be 2 into 1 minus j value 2, it will be 0. 2 into 1 2, 2 minus 2 0. A21 will be 2 into i's value 2 minus j's value 1, 4 minus 1 3, and A22 that is 2 into 2 minus 2, it will give you only 4 minus 2 2. So this is how we got the required matrix of first subpart. So write down here, therefore required matrix is, so put down the elements in their respective positions, 1 0 3 2. So this will be our right answer for the very first question. If I talk about subpart 2, here Aij will be mod of 2i minus 3j. Here also you will start with the same approach, that let the 2 by 2 matrix be A11, A12, A21, A22. The way 2 by 2 order matrix looks like, right? So here also we'll take out the value of respective positions. A11 first of all, it will be what? Mod of 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1. It will give you mod of minus 1. And you should know mod of minus 1 is equals to 1. If I talk about A12, it will be what? 2 into i's value minus 3 into j's value, that is 2. So what we'll get here, mod of 2 minus 6 is minus 4, right? So it will be what? 4. If I talk about A21, it will be what? Mod of 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. It will be what? 4 minus 3, 1. So mod of 1 will give you simply 1. And if I talk about A22, it will be what? Mod of 2 into 2 minus 3 into 2. That is mod of 4 minus 6 is minus 2. And minus 2 mod value is only 2. So what will be the required matrix here? Therefore, required matrix is what? Put down the respective positions value in their places, 1 4 1 2. So this will be our final answer of this question, 1 4 1 2. Well, moving to the next question, that is question number 6 now. In question number 6, they have told you to construct a 2 by 3 matrix B is equals to Bij, whose elements Bij are given by, subpart 1 question is Bij is equals to I minus 3j, and in subpart 2 they have asked you Bij is equals to I plus 2j whole square, right? So let's see how to start. Let the 2 by 3 order matrix be like, 2 by 3 matrix means what? 2 rows 3 columns, right? Something like this, 2 rows but 3 columns, right? This is 2 by 3 matrix. If I talk about their position value, this is first row first column, first row second column, and this is first row third column, right? This is second row first column, second row second column, and this is second row third column. So this is how the 2 by 3 matrix will look like. So if I talk about its respective position value according to this formula of Bij I minus 3j, then what will rate of B11? It will be simply 1 minus 3 into 1, that is minus 2, because 1 minus 3 is minus 2. What will be B12? It will be 1 minus 3 into 2. It will be how much? 1 minus 6 minus 5. What will be B13? It will be 1 minus 3 into 3. That is 1 minus 9 minus 8. If I talk about B21, it will be what? 2 minus 3 into 1. That is 2 minus 3 minus 1. B22, it will be 2 minus 3 into 2. That is 2 minus 6 minus 4. And the last one, B23, it will be what? 2 minus 3 into 3. So 2 minus 9 is minus 7. So this is here, this is how we rate the position values of all the elements here in the 2 by 3 matrix. Therefore required matrix is what? -2, -5, -8, -1, -4, -7. This is the required matrix here. I hope it's clear now. Moving to the subpart 2 now. Moving to the subpart 2 now. In subpart 2 they told us that Bij is equals to I plus 2j whole square, right? So what will be the value of B11 here? 1 plus 2 into 1 whole square. That is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 square. That is 9. If I talk about B12, it will be what? 1 plus 2 into 2 whole square. It will be what? 1 plus 4, 5, 5 square. That is 25. If I talk about B13, it will be what? 1 plus 2 into 3 whole square. That is 7 square. That is 49. What will be B21? It will be 2 plus 2 into 1 whole square. Try to understand. I means first value. J means second value. So here I is 2, J is 1. So after putting the value, what we are getting? 2 plus 2, 4 square. That is 16. B22 will be what? 2 plus 2 into 2 square. That is 2 plus 4, 6 square. That is 36. And the last one, B23 will be what? 2 plus 2 into 3 square. It will be what? 8 square. 2 plus 6, 8 square. That is 64. So the required matrix will be what here? 9, 25, 49, 16, 36 and 64 will be our answer. This will be our answer. This will be our answer, right? So that's all from today's class. We have done the basic starting sums. In the next video, we'll continue from here. Thank you so much, everyone. Stay safe, take care, and please try to understand the concept and then note it down. Thank you so much, everyone.